What's up, Blue Chips? We're back for episode number 2 of the YouTube channel review. Today we are going to be taking a look at 7 Points Capital. Let's get to it. All right, traders, I know this is a YouTube channel review, but just wanted to pop over onto their website to give you a quick introduction of who 7 Points Capital is. So I'm just going to go ahead and read their Who We Are section, and here we go. 7 Points Capital is a broker-dealer operating as a multi-strategy proprietary trading firm, prop firm, based in New York City with additional offices in New Jersey, Florida, and Toronto. And if you do follow them, you'll know that one is about to pop up in San Diego. We seek the best and brightest traders and encourage them to perform at their full potential. As a trading firm built by traders, we understand the importance of balancing risk versus reward, as well as the value of challenging each other's thinking to become better traders. So with that said, we pop over here to the YouTube channel. Just go over some quick stats. We have 2,773 subscribers. Their first video ever was a market overview video they did, which was 1 year ago. If we want to go ahead and click on that real quick to get the exact date, it was October 10th, 2017. So we're actually coming up on 2 years. And yeah, so to really give you a brief overview of what I've found is if we want to sort by new, kind of what they're leaning towards now are these trader takeaways. And we have them by Stan Glusman and Michael Katz are the two main guys that do them. And they have two very different types of trading. Michael Katz is more of a guy that trades like the SPY and the large caps. And Stan is a guy that likes to trade the lower floats, the penny stocks, those types of trades. And if you have a chance to just sit down and watch just one of these videos, you'll probably get hooked. And depending on the type of trader you are, you'll come in here and go to their video section, and you'll probably go and find each one of their videos and watch them. So it's a really good resource. And each of these trader takeaways, in each one of these videos, they'll actually bring up their executions. They'll show you exactly how they made the trade. They'll tell you the thought process behind them. There is no live trades. However, the recaps are there, and they do their best to explain their thought process throughout the trades that they made that day. So to be completely honest, I'm not exactly sure why 7 Points Capital has a YouTube channel other than really just to help other traders out, because they're not trying to sell anything. Maybe they're just kind of looking to network and possibly find more traders out there that might be willing to come work for 7 Points, which is awesome. You know, if prop trading is, something that you'd be interested in, then, this is definitely a good way to kind of advertise themselves. And they do a very good job at it. So if you scroll through a bunch of their videos, I mean, they do have some educational videos, but they've really kind of geared towards these trader takeaways, which are really awesome, because a lot of people, that's kind of what they come to YouTube for, is to really see the recaps and see the trades, as they're happening. And once you're watching these guys, you can pretty much verify that, they're obviously legit traders. If you don't know who Michael Katz is, just Google Mike Katz, and you'll quickly see that they're as legit as they come. And, I've been following 7 Points for quite some time now. And, I tend to just only watch Stan because I have a similar strategy as him. Actually, he's a little bit more safe with his strategy than I am most times, because he likes to trade the back end of parabolic type trades. But, when it comes to push or shove, when you're really looking to learn, these guys can be a very good learning source. One of the other cool things about 7 Points Capital, especially Stan in particular, is they are very active on social media. So if you were to actually have any questions, I know he's very active on Twitter. You could actually go over there and shoot him a message, and he's really good about responding back to you. So if you have a question, he's pretty open to answering any question you might have. So it's a pretty good source. If you feel like you have a stupid question, you can't really find the answer to it, and you think that they might have the answer because they kind of trade the same way that you do, feel free to shoot them a message. You'd be surprised at the response you'll get. All right, so really just a quick review here on 7 Points Capital. There's really not much drama. There's really nothing bad to say about 7 Points Capital. I guess the only thing, if they were really looking to kind of grow their YouTube channel a bit more, they could look into posting some more educational type videos, maybe some more videos maybe about their offices, like the layouts of their offices, maybe do like some meet and greets with each of the traders, specifically like do some biography type videos. But I mean, other than that, this channel is great. If you're just looking for a quick way to come look at some trade recaps and kind of go over the thought process behind real traders and their emotions behind a trade, as well as their thought process and, et cetera, then this could be a great place to start. There's obviously other channels out there as well, but we're here to review 7 Points Capital, and I give them, if I had to grade them, I'd give them an A-. They could have some work, and they could put some work into the channel, but to be completely honest, for what they're doing, obviously they're putting all this out there for free, and it doesn't really seem like they're asking for anything in return. It's just kind of a way to help the community out. So, I'm all for that. And yeah, that's all I got for you. So like and subscribe, guys, if you haven't already. Always appreciate the support. And if you have any questions or comments, leave those down below for me or 7 Points. If you guys have any specific questions, maybe I could reach out to them for you if it's something I feel would be worth asking. So leave those down below if you have those. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.